ingredient is easy and delicious. Ever thought you could enjoy the taste and texture of scallops on a vegan diet?
I was thrilled when I discovered this recipe and couldn't wait to share it so we can all try it. My whole family was stunned by how good this was. I feel deeply grateful to continuously uncover amazing vegan recipes and the fun of cooking them. Regular followers know I'm all about easy recipes. I love shortcuts and simplifying cooking methods. For this one, I swapped pan frying for baking or air frying, making it even simpler, all free and healthier. We only need 2 ingredients, enoki mushrooms and seaweed sheets for this recipe. Remove the enoki mushrooms from the package, give them a quick rinse, and gently squeeze out excess water. Some say enoki mushrooms don't need washing because they're grown in sterile environments.
What do you all think? Should we wash enoki mushrooms or not?
Get ready to pieces of seaweed sheet. Just brush plain water on one edge of the seaweed sheet. Yes, regular water works perfectly to seal 2 sheets together.
This step is as fun as doing arts and crafts.
Place a small bundle of enoki mushrooms, then roll it up like this. Brush the end with water and keep rolling to seal. Perfect enoki rolled. Cut half and cut into small pieces. Trim off the excess seaweed ends. You can roast them for crispy snacks. Let me show you from another angle.
Brush with water. Connect both seaweed sheets. Place enoki mushroom. Roll out the way till the end. Brush a layer of water. Roll to seal. Cut into small pieces.
Roll the enoki mushrooms tightly. This gives them that perfect firm, satisfying texture when cooked. You can save the seaweed trimmings to boost umami in soups later. Mix 1 tablespoon each of flour, rice flour, and cornstarch in a plate.
Why use 3 types of coating powder?
Flour creates the fundamental crispy coating and ensures even better adhesion. Rice flour adds delicate crunchiness while reducing greasiness. Cornstarch forms a glass-like crispness and seals in moisture. The trio delivers balanced texture, crispy yet light, staying crunchy for hours. Vegan scallops dip water, then coat with frying powder and let it rest to hydrate. Resting is a crucial pause, allowing moisture to activate the coating for better adhesion. Hydration helps gluten and starch network formation for crispier results. Resting idea time is between 2 to 3 minutes. 2 meters equals flaky, 5 meters equals gummy. Ready when coating appears matte with slight tackiness. Lightly all aluminum foil with a brush, then place vegan scallops on top. Lightly drizzle, spray cooking oil over the vegan scallops. Bake for about 10 minutes, adjust according to your oven. If not dry, crispy enough after baking, simply continue until perfectly crisp. Golden perfection. Plate them up while crispy. The original recipe uses slow pan frying, but I've adapted it to baking. Air frying works too. For an easier, no-mess approach, no greasy pans to clean. Well, could totally pass as vegan fried sushi rolls. Simple ingredients, yet it delivers an amazing scallop-like texture, 100% plant-based and delicious. With each bite, the umami seaweed and springy enoki perfectly mimic the experience of eating scallops. Enoki mushroom's natural umami strikingly resembles the sweetness of seafood. When cooked, its fibrous texture releases oceanic notes akin to scallops. The key, enokis contain guanylate, the same flavor compound found in seafood. Roasted with seaweed, the umami synergy creates perfect plant-based seafood. Seaweed is packed with natural glutamates that unlock intense oceanic flavors when heated. Roasted seaweed develops prawn-like umami with toasty aromas. Its unique alanine and betaine compounds are the chemical blueprint of seafood taste. When paired with enoki mushrooms, the umami intensity reaches 87% of real scallops.
So, how do you all like this recipe? Can you already taste that magical umami through the screen?
Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. I'm truly grateful to friends who shared their thoughts on my use of names like vegetarian fish or vegetarian chicken for plant-based dishes in my videos. I've reflected on this for a long time and would like to share my perspective. These names are simply meant to help meat eaters understand and accept vegetarian food more easily, as the dishes are still fundamentally made from plant-based ingredients like tofu or wheat gluten. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian. Do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sour. For VO-vegetarian. Do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian. Do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian. Mainly vegetarian. Occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.